I'm going to show you some hip muscle exercises in preparation for the upcoming workout class. Since these are fine-tuning the hip muscles, you can start with no weights, but I suggest working up to ankle weights, starting with 2 pounds and working up to 5 pounds. I wouldn't go above 5 pounds for these. We are just fine-tuning our hip muscles. I invite you to join me getting some loose clothes, and I'm doing both sides so you can see an easy way to do this exercise. So let's just start with a very simple hip flexor exercise. Straight up and down, very simple. Slowly. These strengthen the hip muscles and help prevent injury for the kicks we will be doing in class. Other side. Aim for about 10 to 15 reps of these. Try to go slow, full range of motion. All right, let's move to the adductors. This is simply crossing your leg. Helps improve balance too. In front of you. Try to go as slow as you can. No jerking or rocking movements. Other side. I have found these particularly helpful for my martial arts workouts. Fine-tuning the hip muscles. Helpful for those kicks we do. Okay. Introducing, this is cross your body. Try and go slow. Use just the muscle that you're working. Try to keep all the motion of your body just in the one leg doing that particular exercise. Other side. Start over with the leg lifts again, as high as you can, but this time we're going to extend it some, like you're kicking. Don't try these with ankle weights at first. Make sure you do these free leg. The flexibility will come with hamstring stretches and things you do, so don't worry about flexibility right now. Other leg. Full range of motion, slowly. It's a basic arms up stance, what we will be doing in class. Good habit to have your arms in front. Adductors again. Other side. So this is the second set now of these exercises. Keep it slow. You'll find that you are better able to take a full range of motion when you go slowly. Okay, Back to these again. Other side. You should feel mild discomfort and mostly a little burning in your muscles, but no pain. If you're feeling pain, don't continue this exercise. The next section is on the floor. These are simple leg lifts for the hip abductors. Once again, as slow and as high as you can go. Hips should be lined up with the rest of your body. Your leg as it rises to the air. Move to the adductors. Once again, slowly. You will feel the burn in these muscles more so when you move to the ankle weights, but that's okay, because right now we're preparing for when you add some weight. Again, these are fine-tuning the hip muscles. Excellent for the kicks we will be doing in class. Okay, other side. Right leg, abductors. Slowly, straight up and down. As always, try to avoid all jerking movements. Only use the one muscle you are exercising. Adductors. Start over. Abductors. With this one, I like to include the transverse abdominis, and I like to do this. If that feels okay to you, try it. If not, stick with just the leg lifts. Adductors. And it works very well to combine these with an overall strength training program. Your abdominals, lower back, push-ups, isometrics, squat thrust, etc. We're just covering the hip muscles in this class, however. Other side. Second set, abductors. Transverse abdominis can be included, or not if it's not comfortable for you right now. It's easy to get into the habit of jerking and going fast, but try to remember to keep it as slow and smooth as you possibly can. Adductors. Try to keep an even number of reps on each side. If you do 10 on the right side, do 10 on the left. It's easy to lose count, but try to keep the same on each side. Once again, aim for about 10 to 15 reps each exercise, about 2 sets. And try to do it for about a month before you start that class. just to make sure your hips are nice and conditioned for those kicks.